Okay, welcome viewers. This is question and answer program on chapter 1 of operations management. The direction is choose the best answer. Question 1. Operations management primarily deals with dash. A. Planning and controlling production resources. B. Setting company vision and mission statements. C. Preparing annual reports for investors. D. Designing promotional message for customers. The answer for this question is A. Planning and controlling production resources. Question number 2. The three major business functions are dash. A. Finance, marketing, and operations. B. Research, accounting, and sales. C. Recruitment, training, and design. D. Leadership, culture, and logistics. The answer for this question is A. Finance, marketing, and operations. Question number 3. If a hospital organizes staff and equipment to transform sick people into healthy ones, this show dash. A. Feedback mechanism in marketing activity. B. The distribution system in logistics management. C. Transformation process in service operations. D. Reporting process in human resource control. The answer for this question is C. Transformation process in service operations. Question number 4. Which of the following best distinguishes service organizations from manufacturing ones? A. Manufacturing provide immediate personal interaction. B. Service are tangible and require low labor content. C. Service are intangible and involve high customer contact. D. Manufacturing always include intangible components. The answer for this question is C. Service are intangible and involve high customer contact. Question number 5. Which statement about operations management is most accurate? A. Operations management adds value through efficiency. B. Operations management focuses only on physical output. C. Operations management excludes planning and design. D. Operations management depends mainly on finance. The answer for this question is A. Operations management adds value through efficiency. Question number 6. Strategic decisions are characterized by being dash. A. Technical and operational based. B. Short term and narrow in focus. C. Routine and departmental only. D. Long term and broad in scope. The answer for this question is D. Long term and broad in scope. Question number 7. Tactical decisions differ from strategic decisions because they are dash. A. Deal with short-term specific issues. B. Determine company mission goals. C. Focus on creating a global strategy. D. Establish product uniqueness only. The answer for this question is A. Deal with short-term specific issues. Question number 8. If the finance unit manages cash flow and capital, its function mainly ensure dash. A. Creation of marketing campaign and demand. B. Availability of financial resource for operations. C. Recruitment and training of employees. D. Design and quality of manufactured goods. The answer for this question is B. Availability of financial resource for operations. Question number 9. An online store promised 1 hour delivery but failed to meet it. The key operation issue is dash. A. Lack of social media management. B. Excessive focus on marketing communication. C. Weak collaboration between finance and HR. D. Poor management of distribution and logistics. The answer for this question is D. Poor management of distribution and logistics. Question number 3. If a company redesigns its production layout to reduce waste, it demonstrates dash: A. Continuous improvement through value addition. B. Market expansion through new promotions. C. Increase risk through diversification strategy. D. Decrease flexibility through rigid system. The answer for this question is A. Continuous improvement through value addition. Question number 11. If total output is equal to $12,000 and total input is equal to $8,000, total productivity equals dash: A. 2.0, B. 1.5, C. 0.67, D. 1.25. Production is equal to output over input. So the output is 12,000 and the input is 8,000. When divide 12,000 by 8,000, which is equal to 1.5. So the answer for this question is B. 1.5. Question number 12. A bakery produces 420 loaves in 6 hours. What is the labor productivity? Productivity, which is equal to output over input. So output is 420 loaves divided by 6 hours, which is equal to 70 loaves per hour. So the answer is A. Question number 13. If a worker makes 240 toys in 8 hours, productivity equals dash. As previous, productivity is equal to output over input. So 240 toys divided by 8 hours, which is equal to 30. So the answer is B. Question number 14. A machine produces 300 units using 150 labor and 100 materials. Multi-factor productivity is, so to calculate this multi-factor productivity is equal to total output divided by labor plus capital plus material as an input. So here we do have labor input in the material input. Totally we do have 250 labor input in the material input, and we do have 300 units produced from the machine. So the productivity is equal to 300 divided by 250, which is equal to 1.2. The answer is B. Question number 15. If output is 408 and labor and the material cost is 120 and 80 respectively, find multi-factor productivity. As previous, we have to calculate multi-factor productivity, which is equal to total output over labor input, capital input and material input. Here we do have material input and labor input. Totally we do have 200 labor input and material input. So the output is 480 divided by 480 output divided by 200 input, which is equal to 2.4. So the answer is C. Question number 16. A company produces 18 chairs in 3 hours and another worker produces 20 chairs in 4 hours. What is more productive? Who is more productive? A. The first worker 6 chair hour. Yes. B. The second worker with 5.25 chairs per hour. C. Both workers equal efficiently. D. Neither worker produce enough. The answer for this question is A. The first worker work 6 chairs per hour. Question number 17. A firm output 900 worth of goods using inputs with 600. The productivity ratio is dash. So the firm output is $900. So divided by the input 600, that's 1.5. So C, the answer is C. Question number 18. If labor is 200 and the material is 100 and the output is 390, find the multiplier for productivity. First we have to add the two inputs, labor input 200 and the material input 100, 300. So 390 divided by 300, which is equal to 1.3. The answer is C. Which action would most likely increase productivity? A. Reducing wasteful activities in production. B. Increased input resource without changes. C. Expanded marketing staff extensively. D. Limiting automation in manufacturing. The answer for this question is A. Reducing wasteful activity in production. Question number 20. A manager compares two departments' productivity. Department A is equal to 200 units per 100 labor hour. Department B is equal to 180 units per 80 hours. Which one is more efficient? A. Department A with 2.0 units per hour. D. Department B. B. Department B with 2.25 units per hour. C. Both departments are equal. D. Neither shows higher efficiency. The answer for this question is B. Department B with 2.25 units per hour is more efficient. Thank you viewers for attending this program.